Hello everyone and welcome to Decito MCBM. Today we are continuing with the GCSE Chemistry course following the National Curriculum of the United Kingdom. Today's episode is on mixtures, which is a common topic throughout chemistry, especially when studying bonding. Once again, there are a few key terms that are used in this topic. Most importantly, what actually is an element? An element, as you can see, is a substance comprising of only one type of atom. The example shown is mercury, however this includes all that is in the periodic table. Secondly, a compound is a substance containing more than one type of atom, while either being chemically or physically bonded together. The example shown is water, which we know is H2O, meaning it contains hydrogen and oxygen. Water is not an element. Our next term is mixture. A mixture is a substance with more than one element or compound, but this time they are not bonded together. It has no fixed composition, meaning it can be separated into its parts with little to no effort. Finally, we come to purity. A pure substance is the opposite of a mixture. All of its particles are the same, whether it be an element or a compound. Purity, as seen, is a measure of how pure something is. If a substance has a low purity, it has more impurities, meaning a substance within the mixture that we don't want. A high purity means it only has a few impurities. Now we return to melting and boiling points. However, now we need to know that the purity of a substance changes these points slightly. For example, pure water will melt at 0 degrees Celsius because all the particles in the compound are the same and therefore become liquid at the same time. Water with salt in will melt at a lower temperature, around -7 degrees Celsius, because the composition of the water has been altered slightly and is now a mixture. In the previous episode, we looked at state change graphs. The graph shown is a more detailed version showing the effect that impurities have on melting and boiling points. In an impure substance, the different elements or compounds will have different melting or boiling points. Therefore, they will melt or boil over a range of different temperatures. Therefore, the graph looks more jagged and isn't flat. A pure substance will all melt at the same time, meaning the graph will be flat, as there is not a range of temperatures, just a single temperature. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has contributed to your knowledge of the key concepts in chemistry.